Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about proteins. What are proteins? Proteins are made up of amino acids. In amino acids, two groups are present: amino group, that is NH2, and carboxyl group, that is COOH. Amino acids combine to each other to form polypeptide chains, and many polypeptide chains combine to form molecule of a protein. Proteins are essential components of cytoplasm, membranes, organelles, and these are the major components of muscles, ligaments, tendons. 4 kilocalories per gram energy is present in protein. It means 4000 calories energy per gram is present in protein. Sources of proteins: meat, eggs, grains, legumes, milk, cheese. These are the sources of proteins. Protein exists in high quantity in our body. It means 50,000 types exist in our body. In a high quantity present in our body, and 50,000 types of exist in our body. For example, we get an example of protein. A protein prothrombin. That name is prothrombin protein. It is responsible for the making clot to stop blood during wound. When wound is occurred, then prothrombin protein make a clot of blood to stop the bleeding. In cell membrane, proteins attach with carbohydrates and form glycoproteins. In cell membrane, it is present in the form of glycoproteins. When proteins attach with carbohydrates, become glycoprotein. Today we discussed about proteins. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and amino acid have two groups: amino group and carboxyl group. Amino acid combine to form polypeptide chains, and polypeptide chains combine to form molecule of protein. Protein is essential component of cytoplasm, membranes, organelles, and major components of muscles, ligaments, and tendons. 4 kilocalories per gram energy is present in protein. Sources of protein: meat, eggs, grains, legumes, milk, cheese. Protein exists in high quantity in our body. 50,000 types exist in our body. We get an example of protein. Prothrombin protein is responsible for making clot to stop the blood during wound. In cell membrane, it attaches with carbohydrate and form glycoprotein.